To get the most out of Semrush dashboard, it is essential to understand when to use it. Semrush is a powerful digital marketing tool that offers a wide range of features and insights to help businesses improve their online presence. First, let's start with the basics. The Semrush dashboard is the central hub of the tool, providing an overview of your website's performance and key metrics. It is divided into several sections, including organic search, paid search, backlinks, and technical SEO. You should use the Semrush dashboard when you need to track your website's overall performance and identify areas for improvement. For instance, if you want to monitor your website's keyword rankings, Semrush provides a keyword tracker that allows you to track your target keywords and see how they are performing. Another key use of the Semrush dashboard is to conduct competitor analysis. By adding your competitors to the dashboard, you can compare their performance to yours and identify gaps in the market. This can help you to develop a more effective digital marketing strategy. The Semrush dashboard is also useful for identifying technical SEO issues on your website. It provides a technical SEO audit that checks for issues such as broken links, duplicate content, and website speed. By fixing these issues, you can improve your website's user experience and search engine rankings. In terms of best practices, it is recommended to check the Semrush dashboard regularly to stay on top of your website's performance and make data-driven decisions. You should also use the dashboard to set goals and track progress over time. Additionally, you can use the Semrush dashboard to track the performance of your content marketing efforts. By monitoring your content's performance, you can see what is working and what is not, and adjust your strategy accordingly. In conclusion, the Semrush dashboard is a powerful tool that can help you to improve your website's performance and online presence. By using it to track your website's performance, conduct competitor analysis, identify technical SEO issues, and track content performance, you can make data-driven decisions and drive more traffic to your website.